When it comes to search-based YouTube, the nice thing about it is you have the ability to outsource the video production so you can focus on what is most important in your business. Typically, if you have a YouTube channel, then you have to be the face behind the channel, you have to be the creator creating the videos, and that can lead to a lot of stress and sometimes even burnout. So having the ability to outsource the videos is going to allow you to focus on the most important task in your YouTube automation business, and that is the keyword research. Then you can spend pretty much however much time you want on the keyword research while everything else gets taken care of. Now, in previous videos that I have created, I talked about which niches you can go into for your YouTube search-based channel. I've showed you how to do the keyword research. Those videos are on the channel live right now. You can watch them, and I don't have too many videos up on the channel right now, so it's going to be easy to find, but I will link them in the description down below. Now, in order to outsource these different types of YouTube search-based videos, you're going to be making use of a platform. The platform I recommend is Upwork. Upwork has treated me quite well, and it's easy to find freelancers if you do the correct things in posting your job listings. So all you have to do is basically go to Upwork and sign up for an account. Now, you don't want to sign up for a freelancer account because you're not going to be applying for jobs, you're going to be hiring people. So make sure you do that on the sign up process. Then you just want to log into your account, okay? So once you're logged into your account, it's going to look something like this. You won't have all of this stuff because these are the freelancers that I've been working with and stuff like that. But in your workspace, you're going to have the ability to post a job. Now, before you actually post your job, I recommend that you use a template, a job posting template, which you can find in my 100% free Faceless YouTube guide, which you can get at the first link in the description of this video. So in that guide, I'm going to be giving you the job posting templates that you can use. And that's just going to make the process of posting these jobs on a daily basis so much easier until you actually find your freelancer that you want to work with. So when it comes to these videos, they're normally quite easy to produce these videos. It's normally just a screen sharing video of your PC or of your phone, and then with a voiceover, and then you're going to have a thumbnail designer, and then you're going to have someone to optionally upload the videos for you. So you can apply for those different types of jobs. Now, the pricing and everything like that is also included in the template, which you can find in my free guide, okay? So in order to make your first job posting, all you have to do is come to your workspace, and you can see here it says post a job. So click on to post a job, and then that's going to take you to this page right here. So what you want to select here is long-term project or short-term project. So I'll usually select short-term project, and then I have the ability to work with that freelancer as long as I want to, because you're actually going to be communicating with these freelancers outside of Upwork, so you can communicate a longer term job if you have to. So for the initial job posting, I select short-term project, and then I click on continue. Once you do this, you need to enter in a title for your job post. So is that going to be a video creator? Is this going to be a thumbnail designer? Is this going to be a video uploader and stuff like that? So I'm going to go to my template where I have these job posting templates right here. So in this Google document, I have a long form content, because you can do these like 8 to 10 minute type tutorial videos. You can do 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute videos. You can do stuff like that. Then I have a thumbnail designer, and then I have a social media tutorials creator, which is one of the most popular niches in YouTube automation. So for this, I'll just select the last one, which is social media tutorials creator. Okay, and you can see what I've put into this template is basically you want to give a brief description of the job post. Then you want to include an example channel in that niche, and then you want to include an example video in that niche. And then for the skills, you can write something like they need to have good English and a good accent, able to record and edit minimum of 7 videos a day, because in this specific niche you need to do a lot of videos, and you can select the dates that they need to work, like Monday to Friday. The videos are low quality, so there's not much editing involved. You need good communication, because the last thing that you want is a freelancer that doesn't communicate with you effectively. And I'll show you how you can communicate with the freelancers later on in the video. and then you want to have delivering on deadlines. And then for this, you can include your job criteria, which is going to be different for every single channel that applies this template. So in this case, it's 35 videos per week. I'm going to be paying $4 for every video that is recorded and edited. Now you can even lower that to like $3 or $2. It just might take a little bit longer to find a freelancer, but it could be worth it for you. And then you can say, I'll provide a topic, a video from a competitor. From there, you create the video. And then you can always want to request samples from them. And then they must only agree to the job posting template if they agree to your criteria right here. Then I have the screening question. So this is going to be copy and paste right now. Okay, so all you have to do is copy the title of this right here. It's really simple. I'm going to click onto copy, then you go back onto Upwork, and then you just paste that in there. Very straightforward and simple. For the categories, I'm just going to select video production because this is a video creator and editor. Then I'm going to go to the skills section. And for the skills, you can include a couple of things here like video editing. You can include not writing, Adobe Premiere Pro. Just include some basic things there. Now this stuff right here, you can leave the same. You don't need to change that. Then you want to go to scope, and then you want to fill in this. So for this, I always select medium. So if I just go back there real quick, so you can see what the other options are. So medium is well-defined projects, and then you want to select how long you want to work with this freelancer. So I'll usually select 3 to 6 months. And then what you're looking for here is entry-level freelancers, because the intermediate and expert freelancers are going to cost a little bit too much for a brand new channel just getting started. So select entry-level, and then you can have this option here that says, yes, this could become full-time or not at this time. To make this easier, I just select not at this time. Then in the communication channel, you can communicate if you would like to work more with this freelancer. So I say not at this time, and then it just gives you a summary. Then you go to your budget right here. Now this is actually really, really important. I never select hourly rate, because then freelancers can take chances and try to charge you way too much for the work that they actually did. So I always go with a fixed price, and then you have to select a project budget. Now the thing to remember with your project budget, if you put like $5 in there, you're not going to get a lot of people applying because it's not going to be attractive for them. You want to have a nice amount in this project budget so that lots and lots of people will want to apply for this job. So for this, I normally select something like $2,000. You can put $1,000, $2,500. Now that doesn't mean you have to pay that amount. It's just a project budget, and it could get to that amount the more that you work with that freelancer. So select a decent amount right there. Then you have to go to the description, and as you can see, this is a very easy process to apply for these freelancers. Now for the description, you go back to the project templates, and you want to copy and paste the exact thing all the way up to where it says screening questions. So all I'm going to do is copy and paste this. So I'm going to right click, then I'm going to copy that, then I'm going to go back onto Upwork, and then I just simply paste that in there. So that's all good to go now. So you can see that process was easy. If you do it in a Google document beforehand, it's much, much easier. So everything's all good. Now you can even attach files. I don't really attach files in my ones. Then what I'm going to do is review the job post, and then we'll go to the final step. So that looks good to me. The budget is $2,000. Now you need to include the screening questions, which are basically going to filter out all the freelancers that are going to waste your time. So if I go back to the screening questions, you can see there are you okay with the price from the description? If not, don't apply. So only interested people and people that agree to your job listing are going to apply. Did you add samples? If not, don't apply. Now some people will still apply without including freelancers, and then you just discard those freelancers because they didn't read the job listing. Then do you have a 95% success rate? If not, don't apply. So you just need to copy and paste these screening questions. Then you click on this drop down menu right here, and then you click write your own question. Then you just simply paste it in there, click on save question. Now you want to include another one, so write your own question again. You can add up to 4, but I normally just do these 3 right here. So I'm just going to paste this in here and save question. Now I can do 3 more. So we just need to do 1 more. So write your own question, go back to the template, and then just paste the final one in here. Okay, basic and easy. So there we go, save question. Now all you need to do is post this job posting, and then that's going to be live on the Upwork marketplace for freelancers to start applying. Now give it a couple of hours, and then freelancers are going to start applying to your jobs on Upwork. Now to cover all time zones for this job posting, what I do is I post one in the morning, the same job posting, and then I post the same job posting in the evening. So I cover all time zones, then you're going to get a lot of people applying. Now the process that you have to follow after people start applying for your job postings, I'm going to cover in another video coming up pretty soon onto the channel, so stay tuned for that. And what I'll do is I'll show you what you can do if you want to repost the job posting. So basically, if you go to all job posts, you can see right here, basically I'll go to the second one here. So basically what you can see on these job postings, these are ones I've done previously. You can see it says reuse posting. You just need to click onto reuse posting, and then you'll be able to post that job posting again. Now, in order to communicate with your freelancers after you have hired them, you want to be using a separate communication tool, and the one that I always recommend is Slack. Slack is like WhatsApp for business. What this allows you to do is separate your business messages from your personal messages. And you can also use the Upwork built-in messenger, but it's not as good as Slack. So Slack is free. You can use it for 100% free. Just invite your freelancer to your Slack channel once you have hired them. Okay, so now if you want to get my 100% free search-based YouTube guide, then you can go ahead and click the first link in the description. All you have to do is enter in your email address, and I'll send that guide straight to your email address. Now stay tuned and subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to be doing part 2 of this, where I'm going to be showing you what to do after you have started to get people to apply for your job. So stick around for that. Give this video a like if you got value, and I'll see you in the next video.